In this video, I will show you how to add a subtask to a task within ClickUp. So first of all, you need to open the specific task within ClickUp you want to add a subtask to. For example, this task, and then we see subtasks right here. So what we can do is we can tap on new task right here. So what we can do is we can just create a new task within this task. For example, user interview, and then we can change all of the settings. So we can turn this on, we can change the member, etc., etc. We can add a deadline, just like this. Then we can add a tag, we can add a priority, and then we can save this. So now we have added a subtask. We can of course just add new subtasks just like this. So now we have added, in this case, 3 subtasks to this, in this case, feature a task. So you can add as many as you want. You can sort them, you can automatically suggest them by using AI, you can view them in full screen, and that is basically it. So yeah, of course, this is really easy for organization, etc., etc. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.